Muchísimas gracias, presidente. Muchísimas gracias.
Thank you, President. Thank you, Commissioner. The Conservatives in this chamber have decided to have a debate here to call into question the good name of one of the most well-established constitutions and democracies in Europe, because they don't want to accept the results of the most recent election in Spain on the 23rd of July. The Spanish people voted with a majority to continue with a progressive government, and this is an example of national sovereignty. We have granted a very generous amnesty law. However, there is jurisprudence in the Constitutional Court in Spain, and this fully fits in with Spanish and European law. You know that the amnesty is set out explicitly in the Swedish, Italian and French constitutions, for example, but you know also that amnesties have been used in 54 cases in Europe. And no one has questioned it here. No one has said it calls into question the rule of law. In Spain, it's been used to put an end to the greatest constitutional crisis that we've seen in our country for 40 years. Of course, that happened during the Popular Party governments. This is going to make Spanish society stronger. Europe is full of examples, and we're a very good example of this. We have to move from conflict to a more peaceful way of setting out our relations. However, what are you trying to do in this debate? I ask the EPP. We have to be honest here. Mr. Weber, you were using the Spanish government to play your election games for 2024. That's the reality behind this. Spanish people have said no to your strategy. We have said no to what you're trying to do here, which is agreements between the right and the extreme right. If you're worried about the rule of law in Spain, then finally put an end, unblock the renewal of the General Council of the Judiciary in Spain. We have to open up the door. We have to ensure that the door is not opened up to parties from the extreme right. Spain has a government that will defend European values and its future. Thank you.
Please, colleague, Mr. Lopez, you have a blue card. Would you? He's gone. So, but you have ask for the blue card of Mr. Hamschel. You have anyway 30 seconds to speak, even if you... You don't want? Okay, son. Okay, you see the situation. Thank you. Next speaker is Ilhan Kyuchuk for 1 minute.